Yo, what are you listening to, yo?
What?
What are you listening to?
What do you mean, what am I listening to? You haven't heard the new chemistry rap, bro?
Chemistry rap?
The one from Miss Johnson that Alexis and D'Angelo did?
No.
You haven't heard that? What do you mean?
No, did I?
Bro, look, just listen to this, bro. It's fine. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid and we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Yeah, chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks.
It's been taking a while. Gotta know how to solve it fast now. The number one question is how do you go from grams to moles? Not that hard, just find the molar math. Pick the periodic table, yes, 118 elements. Now head back to class. Look at the top and you'll find the atomic number. 5 plus sodium is an orange color. Only consider one time and I'll dip. Alkali metals the most reactive. Haven't you heard electrons founded by Thomson? Tip at an iceberg, the tip to that 10 and no tips on around and France. I'm gigantic like ace in the analytic. Now chemistry's easy, yeah.
This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid and we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Yeah, chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks. Yeah. Hello, my name is Mendeleev and somehow I was able to set up the elements in the elemental table. Now we think that we are geniuses because we mix Kool-Aid, which is a homogeneous. And a chemical change, things go from one to another. You can change our shape or change the color because it gets hot and there's a flash of light. Talking about chemistry, not the one that runs out of sight. Chemistry is cool and all the other subjects are lame. Class, we create a different color flame. If you still don't understand, don't be ashamed. Chemistry so easy for us, it's considered a game. Practice made perfect on practices, baby. Your practice made perfect on practices, baby. Planning and writing the back lemons daisy. So many elements in my head, yeah, I'm crazy. We creating elements like it back in the 80s. No young teacher, she acting so crazy. She gave a few S's cause we acting so lazy. Chemistry is the study of matter and energy. Got all these elements stuck in my memory. No metals do not rust. Aluminum is the most common metal on Earth's crust. Yeah, one bucket full of water contains more atoms than there are a bucket full of water in the Atlantic Ocean. Mix some metal and chlorine to create an explosion. All matter is made up of chemical elements. All matter is made up of chemical elements. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid and we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Yeah, chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks. This is what you call chemistry. Make Kool-Aid then we take a sip. The chemicals we got to mix. Chemistry is hard as bricks. Yeah.
Nah, you really thought we were done? Nah. Hey yo, give me a beat real quick. Yeah. Alright. Hey. All in your space, got the beaker on me, I'm mixing. Always experimenting and these equations I'm fixing. I done figured it out. Gas is more soluble at lower temps. Took many attempts. And solid more soluble at higher temps. But if you really need more info, be careful what you're drinking, cause cola's pH is 2.5 and that's really acidic. Vital go give me a medic, as acid drinks from 0 to 6.9, with 0 being the strongest and 6.9 the weakest. Now bases taste bitter, acids or bases you should reconsider. Add them together and you might just make water. Too much fire, this will slaughter. Studying chemistry with your daughter, and hydrous bichloride is blue. Yeah, it's all over our shoes. Immiscible liquids cannot be mixed together. Feel like Einstein without this knowledge. In the summer I'll be going to college. Hey, yeah, we really done now. Shout out to my bros and Miss Johnson.